In this short tutorial, you will learn how to easily copy a WhatsApp group link. This can be useful for sharing the group with friends or on other social media platforms. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the group for which you want to copy the link. Then tap on the group name at the top left. Once you are in the group info section, scroll down until you see the Invite to Group via Link option. Tap on this option. Now you'll see the group link at the top. To copy the group link, simply tap on the Copy Link option. Now that you have copied the WhatsApp group link, you can share it with others by pasting it anywhere you want. This is a quick and convenient way to invite new members to join your WhatsApp group without having to individually add them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.